me, Johnny and Julia, we're at the bus station. Time to head out from Jerusalem and go straight to Ramallah. I guess the traffic works like that. I don't know. Wonder where could I find a taxi right now? I don't know, man. Hey, how are you? Ben.
How was your journey?
Yeah, alright.
You found it.
This is our new home, eh? Hola, hola. So we just made it. So far I'm all stoked. People are super friendly. What do you think, Johnny?
2 shekel falafel, can't go wrong with that.
That's it. So yalla means let's go.
Let's go, hurry up.
Petit atallem Arabic.
Yeah,
I want to learn Arabic. I found a card game.
Stop working here.